Why isn't it working? What? Oh. Why is it all dark? Are you kidding? Oh my god. Hi guys, it's Evelyn, and today I'm going to be doing the... Oh my god. Yeah. Hi guys, it's Evelyn, and I am on Thursday for Quiet Bunnies. So this week's theme was squishy tags. So today I'm going to be doing the perfect squishy tag, so let's get started. I'm going to get out all my squishies. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm going to get them out now. Okay, so the first question is best packaging squishy. And I chose these Brettos because the Bretto packaging is absolutely adorable. It's like you're actually ordering real food. And it is open, but it was sealed, but I just opened it because I wanted to. But yeah, I have these Brettos. I think the packaging is adorable, and all the other packagings aren't really that cute. So there's no really other option, but these are actually really cute. So yeah, this is the first question. Squishes. So yeah, this is the first question. And they're like story and how they made these was absolutely adorable. So yeah, let's get on with the second question. Okay, so the second question is most colorful squishy. So that would have to be this My Melody cupcake. It's absolutely really colorful, and the tag is really cute as well. And it's super squishy, even though it's really tiny. It's like so squishy. And the other colorful squishy would have to be this Bear School. It's like the colors are so cute and pretty. They're so cute. And then the next colorful squishy I chose, which is the last one, is the Sammy cupcake. I absolutely love it. It's so cute. It's blue and pink and chocolate, which is amazing. So yeah, those are all of my colorful squishies, and let's get on with the third question. Okay, so the next question is most textured squishy, which is hands down this Aoyama toast. Oh my gosh. This Aoyama cake roll is super squishy, and it's really realistic and textured, and it looks like real food. And so yeah. I'm sorry guys, I'm a little sick. But yeah, so this is the third question, and let's get on with the fourth one. Okay, so the fourth question is my biggest regret. And my biggest regret would have to be this Goofy, I don't know what it's called, squishy. It's not even squishy, it's like more stress ball. It's like okay softness. It's like more stress ball, and I'm not a big One Piece fan. I just like squishies that are really squishy and soft and cute. So this is my biggest regret. So let's get on with the next question. Okay, now the fifth question, I guess, or fourth, I'm not quite sure. But the question is most forgotten, and it would have to be this Hello Kitty bow. I barely squish it for some reason, even though it's super squishy, and there's like a lot of defects. Like, that's not the only crack. There's like a lot. Yeah, if you see that. But it's absolutely really squishy and really soft. But I don't really remember about the squishy a lot. So that is my most forgotten. So let's get on with the next question. Okay, now time for the sixth question, which is most squished, most loved, and desert island. So most squished would have to be... I mostly squished this Daiso bun. It's just so soft. Like, it's so squishy too. It smells amazing. I love it. So it smells amazing, and this is most squished. So yeah, and so next is most loved. Oh my gosh. And next most loved would have to be this HK cake roll. It was one of my dream squishies. And like, you don't have no idea how much I love this. I love all my squishies basically, but I absolutely love this. Or this Rilakuma toast is really soft, really squishy. So yeah, I love these. Okay, and so the next question is desert island. And one of the desserts that I would bring to a desert island is this Yummy One donut. It looks absolutely delicious. Or this welcome strawberry, or this heart macaron, or this cake roll, or this ice cream. Yeah. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.